Hello, and welcome to the Bull and Bear Invest channel. Today is Sunday the 7th of February, and we're going to be taking a look into Rambler Metals and Mining. We have taken a look into Rambler Metals and Mining previously. However, since then the end of year results have been published and we have more information that we would like to include in our presentation. Needless to say, 2021 is going to be a very, very exciting year for Rambler. So Rambler Metals and Mining, formerly known as Fortress Metals and Mining previous to 2004. Rambler Metals and Mining have 100% ownership of Ming Mine and former producing Little Deer, White Whaleback and Ming West copper mines. Ming Mine is operational and in full production since 2012. The current mine has an estimated 20-year lifespan, however it does have the potential with additional extensions to extend this lifespan considerably. Rambler does have an ore processing facility that has the potential to be operating at 1,350 tonnes per day, and the local area is supported with permits and local infrastructure. The new mineral resource estimate includes 24.5 million tonnes of measured and indicated resources grading 1.7% copper and 0.34 grams per tonne of gold, containing 920 million pounds of copper and 264,000 ounces of gold at 1% copper cutoff. The quantities of the contained copper, gold and silver in the measured and indicated category have increased 8 to 12% over the previous September 2017 mineral resource estimate. All zones remain open for extension with further drilling, especially down dip from the current resource. This time last year, Rambler Metals and Mining's share price was 2.30 on the 7th of February 2020. Throughout the year, we saw a progressive decrease in the share price, providing a year low on the 24th of November at 0.23. The share price as of close of trade on Friday is currently 0.34. Judging by the amount of work that Rambler Metals and Mining are putting in recently, we can't see it staying at 0.34 for much longer. The end-of-year results document provides us an insight into what Rambler are focusing on throughout 2021. Initially, they will be concentrating on pumping the water out from the lower sections of the mine that were not maintained through the reduced production period of 2020. The dewatering requires an upgraded mine pumping system which continues to be progressively deployed after the financing was completed in December 2020. The expected completion of the pumping is by the end of February 2021, with increasing access to the high-grade resources present in these areas. They will also be undertaking remedial work and catch-up maintenance required to bring the mining production and development fleet and processing plant back into proper condition. This allows Rambler to concentrate on the mine development, using contractors where necessary, to establish enough reserve availability to sustain mine production at progressively higher output, ultimately running the mill capacity at its full potential of 1,350 tonnes per day. Rambler are also recruiting for key positions in the operation to build on the success thus far. They will be recruiting for resident engineer, project director, mine superintendent, mine development foreman, operator, trainer, and underground operators. We have noticed that Rambler have been recruiting for 4 shift supervisors on their website, and the application window closes on the 8th of February 2021, suggesting that Rambler are readying teams of miners to start imminently. The ore sorting studies are to advance on the previous work done on the Ming Mine ore bodies, resulting in a plant design that can be established to commence run-of mine ore sorting at the mine site in early 2022. Rambler are also completing the purchase of the 2,200 tonnes per day duck pond plant, which is expected to be completed in the third quarter this year. The completion of the Nugget Pond gold plant to Maritime Resources Corporation is underway. This will return $2 million plus shares with a value of 0.5 million Canadian dollars in Maritime for Rambler. Finally, the drilling that was scheduled for the middle of this year has been accelerated by the availability of new funds, and we hope that this will be able to start very soon. So in summary, whilst COVID-19 ceased production in many mining companies, Rambler was able to continue mining, albeit at a lower production rate. Rambler has consolidated and repaid debts whilst raising 15 million in funds. The resources available suggest that Rambler Metals and Mining is undervalued with only a 30.92 million market cap. Copper prices also at a record high and continue to increase. This is due for the increase in production of battery-powered cars and green energy generation equipment. The Bull and Bear Invest channel have written an article regarding the boom in copper prices recently. You can check it out on their blog, bullandbearinvestchannel.blogspot.com.